Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a really good Clickbank method that you can use and drive some really high free traffic off of this one really good site that we're going to do our marketing on, and you have an opportunity to make some pretty good money marketing Clickbank products. And this can be done even with Digistore 24 or any affiliate products that you want to use from any affiliate network. Alright, well, if you're interested in this and the Clickbank method here, and this sounds good to you, then let's go ahead and get started on it here right away. But first of all, like I like to usually do, because there's people that are new to my videos or new to my channel, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, well, just go ahead and reach down there right now below your video, click that little subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys. Alright, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this here particular video today. And first thing you want to do, of course, is we're going to come over to clickbank.com, guys. It's free to create an account at Clickbank. I've told you guys this many times. Just go to clickbank.com and click create account and sign up. They'll send you a verification mail. Get verified, come back, get logged in, and then you want to click on Marketplace right up here where you see my mouse is. That brings you over to the Marketplace page. And then all I did was here for this example in this method, guys, is I clicked right here on the search box right here without entering anything in right here, and it gives us the top ranking products on Clickbank all through these pages here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pick one product here. Now guys, you can do this in any niche that you want to do this in. You can do it in any of these categories right here. I mean, the top three niches you guys know are health, wealth, and relationships, right? So you can do it in any one of these niches that you want. Just pick a product. It doesn't matter. Now I'm going to show you how to do this method here. So I'm going to choose this particular product right here, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic product, guys, and I can make $143.63 there. And then if we click on here, you can see the sales page. It's just a really good video sales letter, and it shows the products in different supply types here, and then so on and so forth down through here. It's a really good video sales letter. So how we're going to market this is the product we're going to use, and we will come back here in a little bit and we will click the promote button and get our affiliate link. But first, what we want to do is we want to come over here to this site right here. We're going to be using eZine Articles. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's eZineArticles.com. You want to come over here to this site because you can use the articles on this site pretty much freely and without any kind of copywriting issues or anything like that. All right, it's a very good site and you are free to use these. I mean, if there are plenty of other article sites you could use, guys, this is just one of them that I'm showing you here that you can use. So since what I'm using here is a weight loss product, so what I'm going to do is enter in right up here in their search engine here. Actually, they might just have it down here. Let me see if they don't have it in the category down here already. They probably, let's see, food and drink. Yeah, don't see it in there. So we'll go ahead and, well, we could go under health and fitness, but I'm just going to type weight loss up here in their thing. Click enter, and it will see it brings us up all kinds of articles here on weight loss that we can use. So for that, usually 3 tips or 3 easy steps or 5 ways you see right here. You can use anything like that. Things like tips and 3, 4, 5 different ways to do something attracts people's attention. So I think I'm going to click right here and try this one right here. 5 ways to break through weight loss plateaus, and see what it shows us here. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good article. It gives sort of like 5 tips there, and so on and so forth. Let's try another article. And let's see, there was one up here. I saw 3 easy steps to fast and lasting weight loss. We can click on that, and we can see that right here, and it's a pretty good article as well. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this particular article right here because it looks pretty good. So now once you get your article, you got your product chosen with Clickbank, and you've got your article chosen from eZine Articles, then you want to come over to this site right here. We're going to market it on this site right here, guys. You can see it. It's called D-Milked. It's kind of a funny site, isn't it? for a funny name for this site, it's dmilk.com. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. Once you get here, I mean, it's free to sign up, guys, and this site gets quite a lot of traffic. If I click up here on my similar web, you'll see it comes out right here, and if we scroll up, you can see right here, guys, that this site gets 1.4 million visitors per month to the site. Alrighty, and then so this site is free. I mean, people post articles right here, and there's all kinds of different things. You can see there's advertisements on this site, and it's just different articles and so on and so forth that people post here on this particular site. So we can do the same thing. So what we want to do is you want to come right up here to the upper right, and you want to click where it says sign in and register right here. So if we click on that, now you see it brings you over here, and you can sign up with your Facebook account or your Twitter account or your Google account, and or you can create a local account right here and then just click register after picking a username and a good strong password, and then click sign up, or register rather, I'm sorry, and then you can sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and get signed in with my Google account here, guys. Alright, and it does. You can see that I'm signed in now. And then what we want to do is here on this site, guys, we want to create our article here, and we're going to put our affiliate link in here on it. Now this site, this particular method, guys, it's 100% free to do, and you should be able to do this from anywhere in the world. And you can create as many posts, and as a matter of fact, the more products that you post from either Clickbank or Digistore24 or whatever affiliate network you're using, the more products you post, the more opportunity you're going to have to make money. Okay? So what we want to do is now is we want to come over here and we're going to click on Create Post right here. And it's going to load us up right here, and it's telling us right here, and we'll follow these instructions to share your story in 3 easy steps. So what we want to do is it wants us to put a picture right here, an image. That's the first step. So what you can do is for your particular method or whatever it is, you can come over to pexels.com and you can get free copyrighted free images from here, and you just do a search for whatever niche it is that you're in, and you can get your copyrighted pictures from there to use. But I'm just going to go ahead and put up a picture that I've already have. So I'm going to click right here, and it should open up my computer, and I'm going to come to pictures here. Alrighty, guys, and you can see right here that I've picked a picture that I'm just going to use. I already had this on my hard drive, and I'm just going to pick that picture right there, and we can use that. And then what you want to do is just simply click on next right here. It's right behind me. Actually, you can't see it because of me, but it's a next button, and you just click on that, and that takes us over here, and it wants us to put in the title of our story here. So what we're going to do is come back here to e-zine articles, right, or come back to your article site, and we'll want to copy the title right here. And so we'll copy that, and we'll bring that over and paste that in right there. And then your story, and we're going to come back and we're going to copy the whole article right here, guys. So if we come all the way down, let it come down, and we'll copy that, and we're going to keep the article source so that we give credit back to the person, right? There's nothing wrong with that. So you can see that it puts it right in there, and it gives credit back to the person who wrote the article as well, clear down here at the bottom of this right here. I'm going to go ahead and take out this particular paragraph right there, and we'll keep the article source right here. I'm going to remove this right here, particular article source, and then we'll straighten it up just a little bit right there. Now, right here at the bottom of this, we're going to put right here is where we're going to put our affiliate link in, guys, in the article. So I'm going to say learn more here to lose weight fast and safely. I like to use those words, fast and safely. And then what you want to do is just leave that. I mean, you can put whatever you want there. Click here or whatever. I'm click learn more here to lose weight fast and safely. And then I'm going to come back to Clickbank, guys, and I'm going to click on promote for our Okinawa flat belly tonic product, right? And I'm going to click on promote, and it brings this up here. You want to make sure that your account nickname is in the box right here, and then you can put a tracking ID, which is optional if you want. I'm not going to do it for this example, but then just click on generate your hop links. It gives you the old long ugly Clickbank link here, guys. So we're just going to copy that, and then what we want to do is we want to bring it over to tiny URL, or you can use Bitly, or you can use Rebrandly, or whatever site you want, and we're going to paste it in here and get our shorten that link up just a little bit right there. And you see that it gave us this link. It kind of brought this out here, I don't know why, but it gave us our link right here. So we're going to copy that link right there. It says it's copied to the clipboard up here. Now, like I always tell you guys, you want to test these links out, okay? It's just a good idea to do that. So you want to paste that in there and make sure that it comes back, and it does, and it takes it up, and you can see that it's got our affiliate link in the address bar as well. So we know that it works. Now let's come back to our article, and we're going to paste our affiliate link right in there, just like that, guys. You see that? Then it wants us to add tags. Now you can put in here weight loss. Then we can also go, and then we're going to put in lose weight. Anything you think that people will type into the search engine on this site, guys, to come and look for your article, and your article will pop up, right? So lose weight. Let's see, how about fitness? What else would go along with that? Flat belly. It's flat belly tonic, right? I mean, just put 4 or 5 tags in there, whatever you think people will type in. How about just health even? Health would be a good one. That'll bring it up. And then it wants us to choose categories here, guys, and I think we're allowed up to 3 categories. So we're going to scroll down here, and I'm going to put it in, of course, food right here. And then we'll click again, and we'll find there's a lot of different categories that we could probably put this in. We could even put it in other, and then we'll click again here. And I think it'll allow us up to 3 here, so we'll find another one. Another good one here, maybe social issues. Yeah, I think we'll go in social issues there too. And then, yeah, we're only allowed 3 categories here, so we're good. Food, other, and social issues is pretty good. And then once you get that, now here's our picture. Here's the picture that we added. Remember, guys, you want to add a picture into it, and then you can add a picture description if you want. That's optional. And then what you want to do then, guys, let me come over here. I'm going to drag me sort of up here out of the way. And you can see that right down here at the bottom, guys, is a next button. So right there, we just want to click next right here. And then it brings this up. It says you didn't choose a featured image. Well, how about that? We'll just click on that. This is the featured image, okay? And then click next again. And you can see that it gives us a little preview of what our article looks like. And people can read this article, and it's really good. They see the picture, and they can also come over here, and if they click this link right here, guys, then that's going to take them over to our Clickbank product, and we're going to make money. So at that point, what we want to do, guys, is come down here at the bottom, and we're going to click on finish right here, guys. And while it's loading, this article will get reviewed by the site owners, and it'll probably get accepted, and it will be posted and become live on the channel very soon, and you will be able to drive lots of traffic. As you saw, this site gets about 1.4 million visitors per month there, guys. And so yeah, that is how you do that, guys. That is the method that I had for you today, is come over to Clickbank, choose a product, use either eZine articles or whatever free article site you want to match an article that related to your product, and then come over to Demilked, and then, well, you can see it right here. It says thank you. Your article has been submitted, and the editors will review it shortly. And guys, that is the method that I had for you today on a Clickbank method. You just want to do as many products, different products as you want from your affiliate networks, and put them up on this site using articles with your affiliate link in it, and you should be able to drive lots of traffic to your Clickbank or affiliate products. Guys, if you like this particular method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little notification bell down there below as well. Got any questions or comments, just leave them down below in the section down there, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my #1 free recommended free video presentation that will teach you and show you the formula on how you can become a high ticket affiliate marketer, then you want to click down there below in the description, top of my description, where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and then you want to come over and see how you can become a high ticket affiliate marketer starting as soon as today. Well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye bye now.